Good morning, YouTube, Facebook, February the 28th. I'm on my first of 3 jobs today. This is a new customer, but she was a referral from Miss Kara Conway. So Miss Conway, if you're watching, she does follow me on Facebook. Thank you so much for the referral. And this lets me know that I built up a good trust factor with my customers and my clients, because not only did she leave me here by myself, well, she wasn't even here. She just gave me instructions what to do, but she also left a check on the counter and just told me to fill it out, write the amount in when I'm done, you know, to whatever the amount come out to. So again, guys, that's a good indication that customers trust you when they leave you in your house, in their house by yourself, and they trust you to do what you're supposed to do. So I just got through pre-vacuuming the rugs. I'm setting up my upholstery table, so I'm gonna clean the pillows on the table. I've already got my sealer door, my floor mats laid out, and then also I just vacuumed. I always empty my canister, but just want to show you guys how much dry soil I got out of the carpets. Let's show you guys right quick. Come into the light. Come into the light. So look at this, guys. This is again why I always pre-vacuum. Look at that. Just full of like some dog hair, soil, dirt. So I'm setting up right now, and then show you guys what I'm doing upstairs. So like I said, man, I get a lot of referrals from a lot of my good customers and clients. And then upstairs, I got my corner guards put up. Got 2 rooms, a hallway. We're going to treat the rooms with the pet odor enzyme. But the rooms are not bad. So again, you can see I vacuumed the rooms, the hallways, well, the hallway, not the hallways, and then the masters. So again, the carpets are not bad at all. It's a thick nylon plush. I got my pre-treatment made up, and also the closet. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, guys. Knock this job out, get the truck mount going. And then after this, I have 2 repeat customers to do. And they are both small jobs. One is 3 areas in the hall. She's moving out. And then my last one is 2 rooms in the hall. And I'll be on vacation for the rest of the weekend. So thank you again, guys, for watching. I'm going to go ahead and knock this job out. Like I said, it'll probably take me a couple hours, 2.5 hours. So I'm done setting up. Bringing the air movers while I'm doing the upholstery. And I got a good pre-treatment made up. So I'm going to have these carpets nice and clean. So when she gets home, matter of fact, what I'll do, like we got some trash there. So I'll take this. Look at that, guys. All right, guys, thank you again for watching. Courtney Truman Steamers. See you in the next one. I don't like that dumbass excuse you just said. Check. All right, guys, I am done. First job of the day. Just wrapping up, getting all my tools and accessories put up. All right, so customers are going to come home to nice, clean carpets, rugs, and upholstery, a sofa. Now, for all the cleaners out there that follow, always remember, see, rug came out very good. Smells great. Always sit your pillows up like this. And sometimes you can kind of like do like a little V. Show you guys. Kind of like that. See, like that. So it can get the proper airflow. But it'll be fine just like that. But again, always sit the pillows up. Tell the customer to let them sit up for at least a few hours. So the both sides of the cushions can dry properly. You don't want to leave any moisture in the fabric. And then also these two rugs right here. So what I'm going to do is get the rest of my tools put up. And like I said, she was a good customer. She left a blank check. So I'm about to fill out the check and just put the amount of the services in. Get all my mats up and get ready to knock these last two out. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. Courtney with Truman Steamers. See you in the next one.